In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a gift card for Great Clips. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to get a gift card for Great Clips, there's a few different ways to do this. So the first way is the one I recommend. So at a Great Clips salon, so you can visit any Great Clips location near you and then ask the cashier about purchasing a gift card. Choose the desired amount to load onto the card. Usually it's between $10 and $100, and then pay at the counter and you receive your physical gift card. Number two, online. So you can go to the Great Clips website. The availability may vary. Sometimes they offer online gift cards, sometimes they don't. So just depending where you're watching this video, you might be in luck. And then navigate to the gift card section, select the amount, customize the card if options are available, and then proceed to the checkout. Provide your email or the recipient's email for delivery if digital cards are offered. Also, third-party retailers. So Great Clips gift cards are often available at major retailers like Walmart, Target, Amazon, or grocery stores. Look in the gift card section near the checkout or search for them online. Promotions or discounts. So you can keep an eye out for special deals or discounts offered during holiday or seasonal promotions at Great Clip. I suggest to sign up to their newsletters, their email newsletter for Great Clips to get any promotions or discounts. And here's some tips here. So check expiry dates. So most gift cards don't expire, but it's good to confirm because I have found in the past some gift cards may only last 1 year. And then verify balance. So once you purchase, you can verify the balance online or by calling the number on the card.